Hi guys, it's Vesna here. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, again, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that don't know, maybe you're here for the first time, in my channel you can see DIYs, thrift trips, trash treasures, dollar store flips or recreations, furniture painting, any of that kind of stuff. I do it. I do most of the stuff that actually all the stuff that I make is for my home. So I'm slowly redecorating my home so you can kind of see what I do for my home. Today's video is a little bit different, so I'm super excited to be doing this video today because it is a challenge invitation. So this is my very first challenge invitation. I have the honor of co-hosting with Domestic Diva DIY. Sonia is amazing. So Sonia does on her DIY channels, she does furniture flips, DIYs, trash or treasures, thrift flips, dollar store stuff, anything like that, she does it. She's also got another 2 channels. She's got a home channel where she does cleaning, and she also displays all these DIYs that she makes, so it's worthwhile to check that out as well. And if you need inspiration for cooking, she's got a cooking channel as well, Domestic Diva Cooking, where she makes delicious recipes. Now, I know these recipes are delicious because Sonia is actually my sister, and so I've had her food firsthand. I've also seen all of her DIYs in person, and they're fantastic. Her home is beautiful, and she's done it all herself. She's decorated everything and you know, made a ton of the pieces herself. So she really is someone worth checking out. So let's get to our challenge. So our challenge is the fall trash to treasure. As I mentioned, there are a few rules. So number 1, upload date. The upload date is September 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So that is when the playlist will go live. I will have the playlist link in my description, and Sonia will have it in her description in her video. So when our videos go live at 2 p.m., that's when you can add your videos. Rule number 2, so the item has to be thrifted or secondhand. Like I said, it could be a hand-me-down from somebody. It could be something that you purchased. It could be something that you found. Whatever, as long as it's secondhand item, so not new to you. Rule number 3, you have to recreate the item. So what we mean by that is you have to either repurpose it or make it over. So either or, whether you want to make it into something different, whether you want to paint it, it doesn't really matter. And the item doesn't have to be huge. It could be something as big as a furniture piece or as small as a tray or a little sign. And rule number 4, you have to show us how you're using it in your fall decor. So it could be a fall piece, an item that you've recreated to be a fall decor piece, or you're just using it in your fall decor somehow. So anything like that, that's what you need to do. This should be a super fun challenge. So if you're a creator, please join us and create some wonderful things. I always love watching these videos because I get lots of inspiration, and all of you creators are super talented. If you are not a creator, make sure you consider stopping by on September 10th and checking out the playlist and seeing some of these amazing creators do their thing. So thank you so much for stopping by today. If DIYs and like thrifted items, you know, making something from nothing, basically, those kinds of stuff, is that kind of stuff interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see when I post new videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe, and hope to see you September 10th.